What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the video. Let's see what we got in today's video. This is going to be all from Vanguard coins. I've stacked up a nice little 4 packages from him, and let's just jump right into it. First package. This was a giveaway that I won from Vanguard. They're all running away. A really nice uncirculated 20 centavos, 1960. Really pretty design on these. Really nice. Really nice. Let's jump into the next one. 1916, 1 florin, 2 shilling. Really cool. Kangaroo and an ostrich, I think. Maybe an emu. Alright, let's jump right into the next one. The next one is something I picked up because I needed it for my typeset. A really nice, let's just get this out the flip. Not the greatest condition, but I can't afford the best. Extremely low budget, but a nice 2-cent piece. Pretty decent condition. 1865. Really nice. I'm glad to add to my collection. Alright. Next package here. See, more from Vanguard. Haven't even opened this one at all. So, let's get into that right now. And then with this, I got two 1969 mint sets. It's worked out perfect because with my collection, I'm trying to have 2 of everything because I got 2 kids. That way they can't fight when I pass on and everything goes to them. Really beautiful coins. Really nice proof sets. It's a really nice Kennedy. Really nice. Alright, last package from Vanguard for this video. And this one, he said to make sure I open it up on stream and to tag him. So here it is on stream getting opened. And I will figure out how to tag him when I go to post the video. Brainless and KM1 KM-7 maybe, something like that. Hey, I got it to work. Always have a hard time opening these. Alright, cool. He wrote it on here too, which is even better. Canada 1894 1 set. Look at that. Wow. I know it looked good on the camera for the stream, but wow. Looks gorgeous in person. Holy cow. Gorgeous coin. You can still see like the veins on the leaves and stuff in this. Wow. Being that old. Man, she looks pissed though. Doesn't look like she was happy for this portrait. Gorgeous, gorgeous coin. And that's the video. Make sure you check out Vanguard Coins if you're on Whatnot. Great streamer, very educational. Alright, remember, collect on a budget, stack on a budget, it all adds up. Later.